Hi, my name is Arpana. So I started experiencing severe hair loss about a year ago after some life circumstances and health problems, to the point where my hair just started coming out in patches and I completely lost all my hair and had to wear a hairpiece. My family actually suggested VCare and I saw some of the commercials. Honestly, I was a little bit skeptical because I've never received any kind of treatment in India. Started receiving the treatment from VCare, and once that happened, I noticed a lot of changes. So they give you a complete nutritional plan so that you maintain your health and you're getting the essential vitamins and minerals that you need for your hair. And the main thing that really touched me was the people here, the team, the staff, they all really care about you. You're not just a patient or a client. Always greet you with a smile, and that really helps. So I would definitely recommend VCare and am very pleased with my results.